GitHub and GitLab are powerful web-based platforms designed to help developers manage and collaborate on software projects by using a version control system called Git. At their core, both platforms provide tools that make it easier to write code, track changes, fix bugs, and collaborate with others across the world, whether you're working on a solo project or part of a massive open-source community. But before diving into the differences between GitHub and GitLab, it's important to understand Git itself. Git is a distributed version control system, originally created by Linus Torvalds in 2005 to manage the development of the Linux kernel. It allows developers to keep track of every change made to their codebase, roll back to earlier versions if necessary, and work in isolated branches without interfering with each other's work. Think of it like a highly organized time machine for your code, where every change is recorded and collaboration is streamlined. GitHub, launched in 2008, became the most popular Git-based platform, especially for open-source projects. It combines Git's version control capabilities with a user-friendly interface, issue tracking, pull requests, code reviews, project boards, and an enormous community of developers. It's become a hub for millions of developers to contribute to shared code, fork repositories, suggest improvements, and even manage software lifecycles end-to-end. GitLab, launched in 2011, offers similar core features but positions itself as a more integrated DevOps platform. Unlike GitHub, which often requires third-party tools for CI/CD pipelines, GitLab includes built-in continuous integration and delivery tools out of the box, making it ideal for teams that want an all-in-one solution. GitLab is also known for offering self-hosted options with enterprise-level controls, appealing to organizations with specific security or compliance needs. While GitHub now also offers CI/CD via GitHub Actions and enterprise features, GitLab's deeper integration and flexibility in deployment still make it a preferred choice for certain teams. Both platforms support features like forking, merging, branching, tagging, and release management, but the user experience can vary. GitHub has a massive ecosystem with integrations into IDEs like VS Code, mobile apps, GitHub Copilot for AI-assisted coding, and social features like stars, followers, and trending repos, fostering a vibrant developer culture. GitLab emphasizes automation, issue tracking, security scanning, and compliance, and offers visibility into the entire DevOps lifecycle. Choosing between the two depends on your project's needs, your workflow preferences, and the scale at which you're operating. For hobbyists or open-source contributors, GitHub's massive user base and familiar interface can be ideal. For enterprises seeking tight integration and full pipeline visibility, GitLab might be more suitable. Importantly, both are built on Git, so your basic commands like git clone, git commit, git push, and git pull work the same no matter which platform you choose. In recent years, the lines between GitHub and GitLab have blurred, with both platforms adopting features traditionally unique to the other. For example, GitHub now offers code spaces for cloud-based development environments and GitHub Actions for CI/CD, while GitLab has expanded its marketplace and collaboration features. Security is a big concern in modern software development, and both platforms offer tools to help, including code scanning, dependency analysis, and access control. GitHub, owned by Microsoft since 2018, integrates closely with Azure and has made strides in AI with features like GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI. GitLab, on the other hand, remains independent and open core, meaning its community edition is free and open source, while additional features are available via paid tiers. This can be important for teams seeking transparency, extensibility, and control. Another key difference lies in hosting. GitHub is primarily cloud-hosted, while GitLab offers both cloud and self-hosted options, making it attractive to organizations with strict data residency or regulatory requirements. Developer experience is central to both platforms, with streamlined interfaces, keyboard shortcuts, markdown support, integrated wikis, and support for agile methodologies. For team collaboration, GitHub emphasizes social coding, public discussions, forks, and contributions, whereas GitLab focuses on private team efficiency, enabling groups to plan, build, test, and deploy from one dashboard. Beyond Git, both platforms support additional technologies. GitHub hosts packages via GitHub Packages, while GitLab offers a container registry. Both support Docker, Kubernetes, and infrastructure as code, catering to DevOps and cloud-native workflows. Their APIs allow for rich customization and automation, whether you're writing bots, scripts, or custom integrations. Educational institutions and nonprofits can access special plans on both platforms, enabling learning and community impact. The choice between GitHub and GitLab often comes down to priorities. Is your team optimizing for ease of use and access to a massive open-source ecosystem? GitHub shines here. Are you looking for a secure, all-in-one DevOps platform with robust automation and hosting flexibility? GitLab may be the better fit. Ultimately, understanding both tools empowers developers to choose the right solution or even use both in tandem. GitHub for community engagement, GitLab for internal operations. As software development evolves, these platforms evolve too, continually adding features, integrations, and enhancements to support modern workflows. Whether you're building a mobile app, maintaining critical infrastructure, or contributing to the next big open-source project, GitHub and GitLab provide the scaffolding on which modern software is built. They support code review, testing, deployment, documentation, and community engagement. All vital components of today's collaborative and fast-paced development environment. As a developer, team lead, or organization, becoming fluent in Git, GitHub, and GitLab isn't just useful. It's essential to staying current and competitive in the tech world. In conclusion, GitHub and GitLab are more than just repositories for code. They are ecosystems that support the entire software lifecycle, bridging the gap between coding and deployment, individuals and teams, ideas and production-ready software.